In today's world, the safety and security of your home and loved ones are more important than ever. But with so many devices promising peace of mind, it's hard to know which to choose until now. Meet the First Alert VX1 video doorbell, a revolutionary advancement in home security technology. Say goodbye to alerts triggered by passing shadows or swaying branches. The VX1 utilizes cutting-edge analytics to distinguish between people, packages, animals, and vehicles, giving you the power to choose what matters most. Connect faster than ever to greet your visitor or deter an unwelcome guest. But it doesn't stop there. The VX1 is equipped with a deterrent, siren, and spotlight, color night vision for clear after-dark images, privacy modes, and even a smart snooze feature. Plus, with rich push notifications, you get a snapshot and description at your fingertips, making it easier to decide how to respond. The VX1 is not just an upgrade. It's a new standard in home security designed with you in mind. It's time to switch to a solution that meets your needs and exceeds expectations.